So I just ended up teeing it up as high as I could and literally hitting it as hard as I could. There was no real problem with where it could go, and it went on the short stuff. But Mark actually, you could see that I was pretty nervy. But do you know, he was absolutely great with me. He'd been and played in the Scottish circuit, the amateur circuit over in Scotland, and he actually won the Tennant Cup.
Really?
So he said, where are you from? And I was like, oh, he knew I was Scottish, but I says, oh, just outside Glasgow, when you played the Tennant Cup. And I was like, well, actually,
I've won it. Cup is?
I've won it. And he was like, I've won it. And I was like, I know. So next thing, we were like just laughing away, and it just like, certainly calmed me down. And with a pretty chilled round. They weren't overly bothered about how well they done. I was a bit more bothered because it was kind of my first European Tour event. There was a bit of money to play for. But yeah, that was a pretty good, pretty cool 3-ball.